The Grade 1 interior restoration coating is a high-performance, self-priming finish for the interior decoration of walls and ceilings within traditional and historic buildings. It will allow the contractor to prime, seal and apply a top coat in one product to most substrates internally. Zinsser Grade 1 is predominantly a two-coat self-priming system and will adhere to many sound suitably prepared substrates and can be applied to areas where the performance of a solvent-based paint is required but the high odour levels are not permitted. Any odour detected will be mild and no higher than a standard emulsion. Having a high solids formula, Zinsser Grade 1 will prime and block potential stains upon the surface, providing a strong base for the application of subsequent coats. The top coat application will offer increased stain blocking and opacity while achieving a dead, flat, matte finish. Zinsser Grade 1 can be applied to either new or previously decorated timber, metal, plaster, masonry, concrete and plastic. It is used extensively on internal, high alkaline surfaces such as lime wash, plaster and distemper, whilst remaining vapour permeable and allowing the substrate to breathe. Excellent in blocking smoke, water, graffiti and nicotine stains to leave a finish that not only looks traditional like a casing distemper, but will prevent fungal growth upon the dried coating due to the inclusion of a biocide. The one real advantage of Zinsser Grade 1 is that although it is a solvent-based paint, it will not yellow with age, so a decorator will know that the resulting finish will look clean and bright for longer. Zinsser Grade 1 is available in bases which can be mixed to a customer's chosen colour, allowing you to match most colours as well as many pastel and mid-tone BS, NCS or RAL finishes. All colours will be mixed upon the Colour Shop 2 machine for accuracy. Pack sizes available are 2.5 litres and 5 litres, with the pastel colours available in a 10 litre. Application of Zinsser Grade 1 is very simple and can be applied when the air and surface temperatures are between 4 degrees and 32 degrees C and the humidity is between 10% and 85%. Moisture content within the substrate should not be more than 12%. Once the paint has been thoroughly stirred, a brush, roller or spray application at a coverage of up to 10 square metres per litre should be achieved. Obviously on porous substrates this can be reduced and should be taken into consideration. Zinsser Grade 1 is touch dry in 30 minutes and can be recoated in 2 hours if applied at 24 degrees C, allowing the applicator to achieve a protective, decorated substrate very quickly. Remember, applying at cooler temperatures could increase the recoat time and slow the application down. Zinsser Grade 1 must never be applied to a damp substrate or any surface that is not sound and free of contamination, as this will cause adhesion problems. Any loose or failing paint must be fully removed, with any remaining paint sanded back to a sound, smooth edge. Like all Zinsser products, application to floors or any substrate which will be immersed or has a prolonged contact with water must be avoided.